Subaru just dropped the most radical Outback redesign in the model's 30-year history, but instead of celebration, the announcement has split the automotive community down the middle. If you've been waiting for Subaru to finally modernize this adventure wagon, these 7 changes will either make you fall in love or send you straight to a competitor's dealership. While some updates address decades-old complaints, others completely abandon the philosophy that made the Outback legendary, creating a vehicle that challenges everything loyal buyers thought they knew about their favorite adventure companion. Number 7. Hybrid powertrain. Picture cringing at gas station prices during your cross-country camping trip. That financial pain drives most people toward hybrid vehicles, but the 2026 Outback's hybrid approach has created an unexpected divide. Subaru borrowed the exact same hybrid system from the Crosstrek and Forester, pairing a 2.5-liter Atkinson cycle engine with a 118-horsepower electric motor for 194 horsepower combined. Critics hoped for a more powerful Outback-specific system, but got the same technology with no additional power over the standard gas engine. When navigating treacherous mountain passes or snow-covered roads, you need genuine all-wheel drive capability. This hybrid delivers an estimated 35 miles per gallon combined, while maintaining true mechanical all-wheel drive, instead of relying on separate rear electric motors like competitors. This means real all-weather capability without the compromised traction that plagues vehicles like the RAV4 Hybrid during serious off-road situations. But it simply needs more power, according to many. Still, that's not even the biggest controversy. Fuel economy means nothing if you can't stand how your vehicle looks in the driveway, which brings us to the most heated aspect of all. Number 6. Exterior design. Nothing triggers more emotion than watching a beloved icon disappear forever. That's exactly the feeling many Outback purists experience when they see the 2026 model's radical exterior transformation. Subaru abandoned the signature wagon silhouette that defined this model for 3 decades. The new model stands 2 inches taller with a boxy, SUV-like profile that ditches flowing wagon lines for sharp, angular surfaces. The front features a massive upright grille and stacked headlight clusters that eliminate the sleek, car-like appearance. Wagon enthusiasts have lost the last mainstream vehicle that combined car-like handling with genuine utility. The low loading height that made lifting heavy camping gear easy? Gone. The aerodynamic efficiency that helped on long highway drives? Sacrificed. But the boxier shape creates 34.6 cubic feet of cargo space behind rear seats, up from 32.4 cubic feet. The taller roofline means teenagers won't complain about headroom, and the wider opening makes loading kayaks significantly easier. But looks are just the beginning, because what's under the hood creates even more frustration for performance enthusiasts. Number 5. CVT still there. Every driving enthusiast knows the frustration of pressing the accelerator expecting an immediate response, but getting that disconnected rubber band feeling instead. That's the daily reality CVT owners face. When you need to pass a slow-moving RV on a mountain road, you want immediate power, not the CVT's sluggish response that leaves you lingering in oncoming traffic. Critics point out that competitors like the Honda Passport and Mazda CX-70 offer traditional automatics with instant throttle response for dangerous situations. But Subaru defends the CVT's proven track record spanning over a decade in their vehicles. If you're worried about transmission reliability and repair costs, the CVT has demonstrated durability while maintaining fuel economy advantages that help your budget. That transmission controversy is just the tip of the iceberg, though, because the cabin changes have created an entirely different identity crisis. Number 4. Too luxurious interior. Imagine hesitating to throw dirty gear inside after a muddy hike because the interior looks too nice to mess up. That's the identity crisis many longtime owners fear. The new interior rivals luxury SUVs with a sophisticated design throughout. Subaru eliminated cloth seating entirely, making all models feature leather-appointed seating with improved bolstering, while upper trims add premium Napa leather and ventilation. Outback purists miss the honest utilitarian approach that let them load muddy bikes or wet kayaks without worrying about expensive materials. The excessive refinement contradicts the rugged character that attracted adventure seekers who needed a tool, not jewelry. However, if you've struggled to fit tall passengers in previous Outbacks, the taller roofline creates significantly more headroom for both front and rear occupants. As mentioned, cargo capacity increases by over 2 cubic feet, while the new console design includes multiple storage compartments for the gear modern families carry. Door panels now accommodate 32-ounce water bottles in carpeted holders that prevent rattling, and the rear cargo area features configurable anchor points for the flexible, washable tonneau cover that can adapt to carry dirty boots or fragile items like farm-fresh eggs. The wider cargo opening also makes loading awkward items like camping chairs and coolers significantly easier than before. Speaking of identity crises, the technology upgrades have created their own set of problems for traditional Subaru buyers. Number 3. Technology and ergonomics. Nothing ruins camping faster than fumbling with touchscreen controls while wearing gloves. That exact frustration drove Subaru to completely rethink the technology layout. The design abandons the portrait touchscreen for a 12.1-inch landscape display with physical climate controls and audio knobs. Many appreciate the return to dedicated buttons that work immediately for defrosting or temperature adjustment. But the abundance of new technology concerns buyers who valued straightforward simplicity. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster offers multiple modes, while advanced driver assistance now includes hands-free highway driving up to 85 miles per hour and emergency stop assist. Technology purists worry that these digital systems create potential failure points during remote adventures, but the approach addresses modern family needs. That would be hands-free systems and emergency assistance provide crucial safety nets, while faster Android-based infotainment eliminates previous lag issues. All this technology talk is meaningless, however, if the vehicle can't actually handle serious adventures, which is where the wilderness trim enters the debate. Number 2. Wilderness trim. Every off-road enthusiast has seen vehicles that look capable but disappoint when performance doesn't match aggressive appearance. That exact concern has fans worried about the returning Wilderness trim. The Wilderness features enhanced underbody protection, revised bumpers, and matte black cladding with all-terrain tires and improved approach angles. But the controversy centers on missing mechanical upgrades. It shares the same 2.4-liter turbocharged engine and CVT transmission as other models. When facing challenging obstacles that demand maximum control, enthusiasts want low-range gearing or locking differentials, not just cosmetic upgrades. Critics point to the Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro with crawl control and locking differential, or the Honda Passport Trail Sport with specialized terrain management. But Subaru's defense addresses different adventure buyers. If you want genuine capability without sacrificing daily comfort, the Wilderness maintains on-road refinement while adding water-resistant upholstery and a 3,500-pound towing capacity. Electronically controlled dampers provide better stability without harsh ride quality. But even the most capable trim level is meaningless if cheaper. Base versions can't deliver the power you need when it counts most. Number 1. Base 2.5, flat 4 still there. Picture merging onto a busy interstate fully loaded, pressing the accelerator and waiting for adequate power that never comes. That's the daily reality many fear with the 2026 Outback's naturally aspirated 2.5-liter boxer engine with 180 horsepower and 180 pound-feet of torque. This engine draws criticism for inadequate power in a competitive segment. When towing a trailer up mountain grades or passing with passengers, the lack of power becomes a safety concern. Competitors offer significantly more power, and we are not talking about some premium wagons from Audi or Volvo. No, mainstream mid-size crossovers, which are now direct rivals due to the new design approach, like the Honda Passport, start with 280 horsepower, while the Mazda CX-70 also delivers 280 ponies, both from 6-cylinder engines. This power deficit makes highway merging stressful and mountain driving exhausting, but if you're tired of expensive repairs and unexpected breakdowns, the 2.5-liter unit has an exceptional reliability record spanning over a decade. The engine's simplicity means lower maintenance costs and fewer failure points when hundreds of miles from a dealership. All in all, the 2026 Subaru Outback represents the biggest gamble in the model's history, a complete departure from gradual evolution that forces buyers to choose sides. The hybrid addresses fuel costs but disappoints power seekers. The SUV styling gains space but loses heritage, and the luxurious interior impresses families but worries purists. Meanwhile, the CVT frustrates enthusiasts, technology concerns traditionalists, the Wilderness promises capability without hardcore performance, and the base engine prioritizes reliability over excitement. Some of these aren't minor updates, but fundamental philosophy changes that will determine whether the Outback continues its success or alienates loyal customers. The question isn't whether these changes are good or bad, but whether they match what you actually need when the pavement ends and real adventure begins. Controversial or not, these changes bring quite a departure from previous generations. If there's one thing we're sure about, it's that the new styling will make many traditional Outback customers start considering genuine SUVs as well, which is why you must check out our video about the reasons why to wait for the incredible 2026 Mazda CX-70. As expected, Mazda nailed the look, but the new crossover impresses with performance, probably even more.